Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy C10 pickup truck. And of course, if you're looking for something different, this is definitely the truck for you, featuring a blue and white two-tone combination. Other than that, as you can see, it does have US mag chrome wheels on it. One of the nicest things about this truck is it is a short bed, painted the exact blue as the rest of the truck, and it does have that 2-inch cowl induction hood to give it a more meaner look than the average pickup truck. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, they added a TMI bucket seat with a upgraded console. Other than that, you can see the door panels are also upgraded. The dash is painted the same blue as the car. It is an automatic on the car column. As you do see, it also has the tilt. One of the nicest things, if you can look right there, a lot of these trucks had this added after they were bought, has the tack in the middle to actually show you how high your RPMs can get. Other than that, you do have your aftermarket style 3 gauges on the bottom to make sure you are running nice and neat as you're supposed to. Moving into the engine bay now, having a small block Chevy, added vintage air, aluminum radiator, and basically, I wouldn't say too much, but just enough to give it a more rider quality than performance. Well, other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.